How do you post adjusting entries at the end of an accounting period, or void a check, or maybe correct the errors that identified during the bank reconciliation process? The answer to all of those questions is by posting a custom journal entry. Let's see how we can do that in QuickBooks Online. Once you have logged into your QuickBooks Online account, you can go to the new option and then select journal entry. Now let's take an example. Let's say this business invoiced a customer $100 in return for a design service. How do we record this transaction? First of all, we debit the accounts receivable account. So here we selected the account and we debit it by $100 because accounts receivable is an asset and it is increasing. On the flip side, we have to credit an account, and in this case, we are going to credit the income account because of the revenue recognition principle, which states that you have to record the revenue at the time when it's earned, whether or not the customer has actually paid you the cash amount. Now, since this is an accounts receivable account, you also have to enter the name for a customer. And in this case, let's select Amy's Bird Sanctuary. And we can also add a memo to make this transaction descriptive and later identify what we created this custom journal entry for. If you want to attach a document, you can do that by clicking here and uploading a document. Finally, once you have verified all of the information that you entered, you can click on Save and New. Now let's say the customer pays the invoice. How do you record that transaction? Let's say the customer paid it on 18th of March 2023. Again, two accounts are going to be affected here. First of all, we'll have the accounts receivable account. And second, we are going to have our checking account. We are going to decrease the accounts receivable by $100 because the customer has paid this amount. And we are going to debit the checking account by $100 because we have received the money in our bank account. Again, you can input more information if you like to and attach a document. And since this is an accounts receivable, you have to enter the name for the customer. And once you have verified all of the information, you can click on Save. So this was a short tutorial on how to create a journal entries and the situations in which you may have to create them. I hope you liked this video, and for more information about QuickBooks and related software, subscribe to our channel.